Want to add the Borghive AI chatbot to your WordPress website without editing any code? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install the Borghive Chatbot plugin, connect it with your website chatbot ID, and test that everything works correctly. First, open the integration section inside Borghive. Select your website chatbot integration and open the integration guide. In the WordPress plugin section, you'll see the steps required to connect the chatbot to your WordPress website. Here, it also shows the website chatbot ID you'll need later, so keep this page open or copy the ID. Now open your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins, then click Add New. Search for Borghive Chatbot. Once the plugin appears, click Install Now, then Activate. After the plugin is activated, WordPress will make the Borghive Chatbot settings available in your dashboard. Next, go to Settings and open Borghive Chatbot. Paste the website chatbot ID from Borghive into the chatbot ID field. Then click Save Settings. This connects your WordPress website to the selected chatbot from your Borghive account. Now open your website and refresh the page. The Borghive chatbot widget should appear on the site. Open the widget and send a test message. If the chatbot opens, sends the message, and returns an answer, the WordPress plugin integration is working correctly. Your Borghive chatbot is now live on your WordPress website.
Borghive. Deploy intelligent AI agents anywhere.